Boyles law problem 2. So we have a box with a volume of 73 milliliters. So that is going to be our V1. That's our starting volume. And the pressure being exerted on the inside of the box is 200 atmospheres. So remember, atmospheres is a unit of pressure, so that is our P1. If we decrease the size of the box down to 7.3 milliliters, so that's going to be V2. What is the new pressure? So P2 is what we're looking for. So if we go off to the side, V1, P1, V2, P2. So V1 is 73 milliliters. P1 is 200 atmospheres. V2 is 7.3, make my point a little bigger, milliliters, and then P2 we don't know, so we're going to solve for. So just like with any problem, we're going to start off writing our formula here. So V1 P1 equals V2 times P2, and plug in our numbers. I'm going to wrap them in parentheses to make it a little easier to see. So we have 73 times by 200 equals 7.3 times by x. So again, anytime in algebra or math class you have x, we want to try and get it by itself. We want to move it to one side or the other. So we're going to keep this here. So we're going to divide both sides by 7.3. So if I flip the equation around, we have x equals 73 times by 200 all over 7.3. So remember, these cancel themselves out. So then all we have to do is just plug in our math. So 73 times by 200 divided by 7.3, and we get 2,000. So our P2 equals 2,000 ATM. Because we're dealing with pressure. So when you look back at what our old pressure was 200 atmospheres, and now we've ramped it up to 2,000 atmospheres of pressure.